Welcome to Academic Web Services Training. I am your host, David Pinter, and in this session what we're going to be talking about is adding in alt tags and title tags to your EPUB files. Well, here I am right now inside a Word document, and I have an image here that is being viewed in an EPUB or on the web, either case. If you roll over the top of it, you'll see the alt tag pop up. But if you're working on a Mac computer, it will not pop up. You have to also add a title tag as well. So you need an alt tag and a title tag. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to come over here and just click on the image in question, right click it, and then come down here where it says Edit Alt Text. Now off to the right side, we already have some alt text already typed in, and I want to show you how this setup is going to be. The real alt text for this document is going to be from here all the way to this point here. Then you'll see an ampersand and an asterisk. There is no space between that, and then after the asterisk, this blue right here, is the same exact sentence is going to be pasted in right beneath it. So we're going to have the same sentence, the alt information, in between this one little section right here with no spaces around it, the ampersand and the asterisk. So now when we convert this over to an EPUB, this is what we're going to find here, is I'm going to click on the actual image over here off to the right side and then look at my HTML document to see what it says. And if you notice, it has the sentence that we wrote here, okay, all the way down to here, and then it has the ampersand and the asterisk, and then again it has this right here. But what we want to do is we want to replace this. That's why we put this in the beginning. We want to be able to replace that to add a little bit of extra coding and replace all of the images in the document at one time. So I want to show you what that is. So if we come down over here, it's going to be this code right here. I want to copy this, and you notice that there is a little bit of a space after this first quotation mark. So let me just copy that and come down here. So this is what we're actually going to be replacing it with. So I'm going to go down here and hit V, flip to paste. And then this right here is what is going to be replaced. So I want to take that and hit Command F. So we want to find all of these in the entire document, and we want to replace it with this. So I'm going to come down here, I'm going to say replace all. But before I do that, I want to make sure you see something, that when I roll over the top of this image over here, nothing pops up. There is no little alt tag that pops up, all right? But it would on a PC. I'm working on a Mac right now. So what I want to do is I want to come down here and then click on Replace All. And it's telling us that there were 29 occurrences of that. So there were 29 images in the entire document that had these. So I'm going to hit OK, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just simply roll over the top of this, and now you can see that there's the alt tag or title tag information. What happened here is inside of the document, it just added a quotation mark, the space, and then this title tag. That's what replaced the ampersand and the asterisk. So now when we save this, we want to test this right here. I'm going to save that. I want to test it on the EPUB site that we're going to be using. So here it is. We're going to go over to this, click this button here, and then open up the document. Hit Open, and then come down to Chapter 3, and then we'll just scroll from there here. Chapter 3. And we'll kind of just scroll through here a little bit until we see that particular item. There it is. And now when I roll over the top of it, what you'll see is now we have the title tag or the alt tag for that particular graphic. So there you go, working with alt tags and title tags inside of Calibre.